Hello everyone, Vicky Ashard here with Nature's Best Art. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm so excited. We're going to be talking about the healthy part of my fitness journey. I am just I'm loving healthy food. um, it is so important to eat healthy food to me. It's so important to eat healthy food. Let me say that again. It is so important to eat healthy food. And why do I know that? Because I hadn't eaten healthy food for a long, long time. But I want to show you what I've been eating. Okay, so let's dive into it. Let's go into my cabinet. I thought this would be the best way to just, show you everything that I eat, right? Okay, so let's open this part too. Okay, this first shelf, well, here's some applesauce. So once in a while, I have applesauce with no sugar. A lot of times that I buy the bigger jars, but they didn't have the bigger jars, so I got these. I think they're really good to have those in there too. And now I eat some rice cakes, very low in salt, lightly salted. And I eat those because I have a little bit of an allergy to wheat. So I'm really glad that they have those. And then we also eat a lot of pinto beans all the time. We have lentil soup, pea soup, kidney beans back there for chili, and we also make a vegetable soup. And I love all of those meals. We have tuna fish and in water. That's why I like this. And I also boil these elbow noodles, and they're made from chickpeas, so you get your protein instead of just the regular kind of starchy noodles. And So if you buy this brand, I do recommend that you boil your water first, and that so they don't turn to mush. Because if you don't boil your water first and then put the noodles in, they'll not work well. Okay, so make sure you boil your water first. Okay, I like these fruit jellies. Once in a while, I'll have jelly. They have 8 grams of sugar. That's why I like these. And I picked up these pumpkin seeds, and I like them, and I put them on my salad. The teas that I drink are quite a few, but I do like the green tea, and a lot of times I'll put a tea bag plus the green tea in here because I know it's good, and I think it helps reduce cholesterol. So I do love the unsalted peanuts, and there's a wonderful snack to me. I have them occasionally. I do eat more almonds, and they're blanched. The ones in the if you don't get them blanched, they're kind of harder for the teeth. So that's why I like these. I get the pistachio nuts occasionally because these are expensive, $6.99 for this little bag. They don't have the nut part, like you have to crack that part, and I get those too. But I do love pistachio nuts, and I don't eat very many of those. But now here's popcorn that I eat occasionally for a snack. And I do cook them the old-fashioned way. I do put olive oil in my pan when I cook those. And I have walnuts back there. I eat those every day because I think they're really good for me. So that's about it in this cabinet. Oh, here's some the stewed tomato. I have a recipe on one of my videos with the tomato paste back there. It's a wonderful sauce. I just absolutely love it. So, and then here's my oatmeal that I eat every day. And I think it helps reduce cholesterol also. So let's go in the refrigerator and I'll talk about what I eat there. Here is my plant-based oat organic soy milk with vanilla. I think it makes a huge difference if you don't have the vanilla. This I love, but I love this so much. I have that with my oatmeal in the morning. I do eat 1 or 2 radishes nowadays. I read that they're very good for you. You can read about that if you'd like. I do have the Anthony's sunflowers seeds, and I put them in my salad. I think they're better for you than the croutons. Let's see what else. Let's talk about this gluten-free bread I've been getting from Indiana. It's called Native Bread. You can order it. I live in Michigan, but we were in Indiana, so I bought this. It is gluten-free. I've had to to go gluten-free because I've had a little bit of an allergy. I decided that it's probably best for me to stop eating wheat because I've my stomach really bloats up and it's very uncomfortable, actually. So there is a place in Michigan on Rochester Road. It's across from Chipotle's, and there's a post office in that little mall. I don't remember the name of it. I got the bread there once, and it was very, very good too. The gluten free. Um, and they also have, they're not called muffins, they're called, oh, let's see, what are they called? Well, maybe think of it in a minute, but they're very good too. I'll try to think of the name of those. They're not muffins, they are, they're not bagels. Oh, I can't think of the name. Anyway, maybe I'll think of it, but I buy those there too. But so I'm really glad that I found a bread, and it's best toasted, I think. I think the breads, the gluten-free breads in the stores, I do not. I didn't find one that I liked, and I tried a lot of different ones. Now I want to talk about this yogurt. It's unsweet vanilla yogurt, and I love it because there's less than 1 gram of sugar. I eat it every day, mid-morning, with this fish oil. It reduces cholesterol, and I have a tablespoon in it in there in my yogurt. Plus, what I do is I put these kind of blueberries in a bowl, and I microwave them, and it's just wonderful. I think it tastes like a blueberry lemon pie. It's just so good. I do have this natural creamy peanut butter. It has just peanuts and a little bit of salt. I think it's really the best peanut butter out there. I do, the reason I am not a vegan anymore is because I do have an egg or two a week. I read it's good for eyes, so I like that. I do have an apple a day. I think that is so important for me. I think it reduces cholesterol. I talked about that in my first video. And of course, these wonderful fruits and vegetables that I always get. I love broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, um, beans, asparagus. I have all of that, actually. Oh, I wanted to mention one thing here. I see my soy. I just love this. Well, I'm going to put this on my video one day. This recipe that I make. My husband actually created this recipe. It's with peppers, green peppers, red peppers, and onions, and that with chili powder. I want to show you how we do that. It's just absolutely wonderful. Let's see, what else? Did I talk about, oh, in here, did I talk about the salmon, excuse me, that I have? It's called the farm-raised salmon. It's frozen. You know, we thaw it out and make it. And one day, I'll show you how I do that recipe too. It is absolutely wonderful. I wanted to show you this bread too that I got from Indiana. It's called sun-dried tomato. It's gluten-free. I can't wait to try it. I'm going to put it a little bit in the microwave. Actually, the whole thing, because I didn't. Actually, I should have cut it before I put it in the freezer. But I'll put it in the microwave and cut it. I'm kind of excited to try that. So I think that is all. Oh, here's something too. I put this in my this horseradish in my salad, along with some olive oil and some apple cider vinegar. I mix that up together, and it just really, really makes a good dressing, and not fattening, not too fattening. So I think that's it. My husband is in our kitchen. He's having lunch. It is lunchtime. And I'm so happy you joined me. This is just so exciting for me to talk about food. I love food. And I don't crave sugars anymore. And I don't like a lot of things with a lot of salt. And I think that's just so important to eliminate from the diet. I just really do. Because I think the more sugar and salt the more we crave, is what I remember. All those candy bars and everything. So for the last 30 years, I've really enjoyed what I eat. So thank you for coming into my kitchen and seeing all the foods we eat. And next week or the week after, I'm trying to do the videos once a week. I'm finding it a little difficult with all my grandchildren, 10 of them, and 2 great-grandchildren, and everything else that's going on. But in a couple weeks, I will talk about the exercises, excuse me, that I do. And I do quite a bit of exercising, and I'd like to share that too, because I think that's important too. So you have a wonderful day and healthy eating. Okay, bye for now.